Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In a well-ventilated area, we're going to start up and run the vehicle until it comes up to temperature so we can check the transmission fluid. The vehicle up to temperature, the transmission fill and dipstick is down here. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. It'll pull straight up. Dipstick's on the end. I'll wipe it off, put it back in. So that's actually low. Just check it again. Turn it in, and then I'll unlock it, pull it out. So yes, that is in fact low. It's not even showing on the stick. Oh, it's very, very low. I'm going to use a long funnel and add the appropriate amount of transmission fluid and type. I'm going to take the funnel out and just check the amount. And install the dipstick. So right there, it's at the max line. That's perfect. Now reinstall the dipstick in the cap. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place, and clean up any spilled fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.